Bonjour! These are our last section of notes for 2.7 before you move on to your quiz prep and your quiz. And there's no real practice associated with these because it's just kind of a bunch of time vocabulary. So it's important to know, especially for the listening section of your quiz and for any questions you may answer, or in your writing, it'll show up in your sentences for 2.7. But it's just vocab. So let's take a look. Our flag is still Canada for now. First up, some words you know, most likely. The word maintenant. Maintenant means now. Avant. Avant means before. And après. Après means after. Like après-midi, afternoon. Okay, and so these notes are going to be in columns, all of which will kind of relate to these top words, now, before, and after. So we've got aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui means today, you know that. Hier. Hier means yesterday. And demain. Demain means tomorrow. Right? Ce matin. Ce matin means this morning. You know that ce and cet mean this. I think you know that matin means morning, so this morning. Hier matin, you can probably guess, yesterday morning. And demain matin, tomorrow morning. So in French, they form these expressions just like we do. Yesterday, morning. Tomorrow, morning. Okay, and the same thing works for any other times of day. So cet après-midi, this afternoon. Hier après-midi, tomorrow afternoon, or yesterday afternoon. And demain après-midi, tomorrow afternoon. So you don't need to write down the definitions for all of these, like, fully. If you understand, like, oh, I get it. Like, hier means yesterday, whatever comes after it is, like, the time of day that it was. But if you find it helpful, go ahead and write them down. Ce soir, similarly, means tonight, this night. Hier soir, yesterday night. And demain soir, tomorrow night. Okay. That's these. Next. We've got lundi, which you know means Monday. Lundi dernier, last Monday. And lundi prochain, next Monday. And this would work with any day of the week, right? Your new words here are dernier, last, and prochain, next, right? So I could say mardi dernier, mardi prochain, last Tuesday, next Tuesday, whatever. My PowerPoint, there we go. Ce weekend means this weekend. Le weekend dernier, last weekend. Le weekend prochain, next weekend. Same pattern. Okay, same thing. Cette semaine, this week. La semaine dernière, last week. And you can see here, semaine is a feminine word, and dernier does change. So the feminine version of dernier is dernière, with an E, accent grave. And la semaine prochaine, next week, with an E on prochaine, because it is feminine. Then we've got ce mois-ci. Okay, I don't know if you remember this from French 1 or not, but sometimes you can add ci onto the end of a word just like this to specify specifically, like, this one here. So ce mois-ci, this month. Like this month we are in. Le mois dernier, last month. And le mois prochain, next month. cet été, this summer. L'été dernier, last summer. L'été prochain, next summer. Same thing with any season, right? Cet hiver, l'été, or l'hiver dernier, l'hiver prochain, etc. And cette année, this year. L'année dernière, last year. L'année prochaine, next year. Same thing. Nope. Go back. Oops. So, in this whole slide, you really only learned 2 new words, right? Dernier, prochain, and how to change them depending on the gender or whatever you're talking about. Dernier or prochain. And that's it. This is just the vocabulary. In your sentences for 2.7, you're going to have to talk about what you did when you did something last, and you can use like one of these phrases like last month or yesterday. You could use any of those. Let me know if you have any questions, but there's no practice to go with this. You get to move right on to your 2.7 quiz prep. Au revoir!